Hello YouTube and welcome. It seems like the last couple of years Parkside is pushing really hard on its performance range. We've seen a lots of new models and even more are about to come. In front of you is one of the newly released models, a 12 volts random orbital sander. The machine is equipped with brushless motor, it has 125mm base plate, and it features a no-load rotation speed ranging from 6000 up to 10,000 RPMs. By the way, I forgot to mention that it amazingly resembles this cordless Bosch Professional random orbital sander. Both machines are equipped with brushless motors, they have the same diameter of the base plate and they feature the same no-load rotation speed. And they weigh almost the same, 800 grams versus 800 grams. The base plates are absolutely identical. The most obvious difference between those two is that Bosch is using a convenient mechanical on-off switch and a rotary speed regulator, while Parkside, once again, is using those dreadful membrane buttons. And once again, the Parkside designers don't give a shit that most of the time you'll be using the machine with some protective gloves, and those tiny membrane buttons will be a real nightmare to press, not to mention how long they will last. Holding them with my hands, I might say that Parkside feels more convenient. The design of Bosch is more bulgier. Probably if you have bigger hands, you won't notice it. Both machines are equipped with similar dust collecting bags. Unfortunately, for one reason or another, I'm missing the bag for Parkside. Well, I think it's finally time to hear their voices. When running at full speed, I can hardly notice the vibrations, but definitely they are slightly bigger on Parkside. For some reason, the base plate on Parkside is moving more freely. And probably that's the reason why on Parkside you can better monitor the rotational movement. And the base plate is stopping a lot slower. Take a look at Bosch now. Without the base plates, the things look even more similar, and I found the reason for the easier rotation of the base plate on Parkside. It's in this bearing. On Parkside it's rotating more freely. The bearings are the same, the manufacturer is different, but I think they both are Chinese. You can see the construction, the design is pretty identical. The major difference is that Parkside is using a brushless motor without Hall sensor, while Bosch is using a brushless motor with Hall sensor. Let's perform some sanding tests. I'll be using fully charged 2 Ah batteries and Grit 60 sandpaper manufactured by Parkside. The temperature on Parkside before starting the test. That's it, guys. With the 2 Ah battery you can expect a runtime of about 13 minutes. Let's check the temperature. About 49 degrees. Well, it's higher, 55, 56. And we have one hot spot over here. Also, the battery is a little bit hot. The temperature on Bosch before the test is identical. "17 minutes for Bosch." Let's check its temperature. Yeah, it seems that the temperature is a lot lower. I was expecting a shorter runtime, so even the 13 minutes on Parkside isn't that bad. Of course, it's advisable to use the bigger 4 or 5 amp-hour batteries, or even the newly released Parkside Performance batteries, which at least on theory should perform better. The vibration on both machines is minimal, they're really comfortable to use. Parkside is heating a little bit more, but nothing too excessive. Overall, I might say that Parkside created one really successful and really close copy of Bosch. Of course, 13 minutes of sounding cannot be taken as the perfect test, but judging by some Parkside machines that fail even in the first minute, I'm pretty sure this one will be successful. I think that's enough for this video. Bye guys, and see you soon.